Morning. Many times macro markets affect crypto prices, but yesterday it seems like it might have been the opposite. I won't dive too deep into traditional markets, but they also had a strong risk-off session. In the crypto space, we saw drastic moves gripping markets in the past two sessions. So from the all-time high to the intraday low yesterday, Bitcoin prices have retraced a full 53%. And one doesn't even need to zoom out that much to see impressive moves. Yesterday, Bitcoin whipsawed from 43,000 to 30,000, or a 30% move down. And then later in the session, prices bounced back over 25% to 38,000. As it's often the case, what we saw was a massive liquidation event. While in the past few weeks, leverage on derivatives exchange has actually decreased, there was still enough to trigger in the first hour of the crash over 3.3 billion of liquidated long. And of course, we saw a similar dynamic occurring on the bounce after people got overly bearish. So in the past 24 hours, over 9 billion worth of position got rekt. Funding rates across all exchanges just hit a year low, and that's typically a signal of an overly bearish market. So on top of Elon's tweet last week, US regulators cracking down on crypto firms, and then more recently China warning against crypto, we were bound to see some aggressive moves lower. Those then got a few exchanges messed up, which just made things worse. Halted trading, paused deposit and withdrawal, pauses on leverage trading, and so on. During the move, it was fascinating to see that the Bitcoin dominance index rose sharply. We've talked about this before in this briefing. It had been constrained for a long time and was due for a shake up. So we touched upon 45.5 and now we're just a tad lower at 44.2, which is still a bounce back from where we were. As indicated by this, alts didn't hold up better, and even now after the bounce, most altcoins remain constrained lower. Ethereum fell 40% on the session and then bounced back 34%. And you'll have guessed it, the smaller ones didn't do better. So Cardano, Chainlink, VeChain, Tezos all lost about 20-30%. I've been inundated by messages of people asking, should I sell? Is this a crash? Look, my portfolio USD value is down, like everyone else's. I don't trade, I'm a hodler, right? But my perspective is this: don't buy high and sell low because of anxiety or violent market moves. As I've said it earlier in my briefing, I've been buying with bids layer on the way down. I just prefer to buy low and wait to sell higher, or not sell in my case. The fundamentals really haven't changed. From the cash flowing to the market, to inflation, to adoption by payment providers and large corporates, to the arrival of more trading products and institutions. So things are as positive as they were a few weeks ago. By the way, only coin that actually held up well in my portfolio is the Equa token. So Equas users, hold on tight. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.